So today in this video we shall factorize y square plus 13y plus 42. So first we factorize the last number 42. So it is 2 times 21 mean 42, 3 times 7 mean 21. So now numbers we got is 2, 3 and 7. Among them we have to make 13. So 2 times 3 mean 6 and this 7. So 6 plus 7 mean 13. So it becomes y square plus 6y plus 7y plus 42. So 6y plus 7y means 13y. So now we find out the common in these factors. So first two factors and last two factors. So in the first, the common here is y. So remaining here y here plus 6. In the last, the common is plus 7. So remaining y plus 7 times 6 mean 42. So now we again find commons in first and last expression. So first contain and last both contain y plus 6, and in the first the remaining is y, in the last remainder is plus 7. So y plus 6 and y plus 7 are the required factors. So this much for today and thanks for watching.